Let's talk about the launch date of the iPhone 16. Apple traditionally launches its new iPhones in the second week of September, typically between the 7th and 15th of the month. Contrary to common belief, Apple doesn't just release one new model annually. They unveil 4 distinct models. As of July 2024, we're looking at approximately 2 months until the iPhone 16 hits store shelves. Apple has also generated excitement by announcing the upcoming release of the iOS 18 beta version, which is anticipated to be their most substantial upgrade yet. So, let's move forward with the video and see what we can expect from the iPhone 16. Starting with the lineup, it includes the familiar models: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Notable changes are seen in the size of the Pro and Pro Max models. The iPhone 16 Pro will feature a 6.3-inch display, up from 6.1 inches previously, while the 16 Pro Max will sport a larger 6.9-inch display, up from 6.7 inches. The non-Pro models, iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, maintain their previous sizes but will showcase updated designs. The camera module retains its squarish design with diagonal lenses, now larger than before. Apple's choice to switch between diagonal and straight lenses serves stabilization purposes and supports features like spatial recording for 360-degree video, along with improved action and capture buttons akin to those found in the iPhone 15 Pro series. Moving on to the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, both will feature slimmer bezels compared to their predecessors, enhancing the immersive viewing experience. The iPhone 16 Pro introduces a micro OLED display for improved battery efficiency, complemented by the Apple Graphene thermal system to manage heat more effectively. Addressing past concerns, Apple has integrated a metal battery casing to further mitigate heat issues. The A18 Pro chipset, built on 3nm technology, promises enhanced performance. Camera upgrades include a 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens and potential improvements in haptic feedback for a more tactile experience. Design-wise, anticipate changes in color options with the discontinuation of natural titanium and blue titanium in favor of space black and rose titanium, which resembles rose gold. There's also speculation about desert titanium and gray titanium being introduced. However, the return to glossy edges, reminiscent of earlier models, might not appeal universally due to increased susceptibility to fingerprints and scratches. In terms of AI integration, Apple aims to rival Samsung with on-device AI features that operate independently of network connectivity. Siri is set to become more intelligent, while microphone technology enhancements promise superior noise cancellation and an improved browsing experience in Safari. Connectivity will receive a boost with the Snapdragon X75 5G modem and support for Wi-Fi 7. Albeit at a premium price point due to emerging Wi-Fi 7 modems. Battery upgrades vary across models, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max seeing the most significant increase to 4,676 mAh, up from 4,422 mAh. The non-Pro iPhone 16 sees a 6% increase to 3,561 mAh, from 3,349 mAh, while the iPhone 16 Plus experiences a disappointing 9% reduction to 4,006 mAh, from 4,383 mAh, challenging its reputation for battery performance. Regarding display enhancements, there's no confirmed shift from 60 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rates in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus models, which remains a point of speculation until the official launch. Prices are expected to remain stable, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max starting at $1,917, the iPhone 16 Pro at around $1,618, and the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus priced between $958 and $1,078. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 series promises significant advancements in design, performance, and features, generating considerable anticipation among users. Which model are you most excited about? Share your thoughts And if you found this overview helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, goodbye.